Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 4th, subject English text, lesson number 20, all about glass. Today we learn the lesson all about glass. Let me read and explain you the lesson. Glass is one of the most beautiful substances that we see around us. Just take a look around yourself and see how many things you can find that are made of glass. Light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, window panes, to name just a few. Where does this glass come from? In this paragraph, we learn that glass is the most beautiful and a special kind of substance from which many useful things can be made. We are surrounded by many things made of glass, whether it be the light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses, means the spectacles which most of us wear, marble and window panes, etc. Now let's see, where does this glass come from? Let's read the next paragraph. How glass is made. The glass that is used to make so many everyday things is a man-made material. Can you guess what it is made from? It may seem unbelievable, but this clear, transparent and smooth-looking material is actually made from sand. Glass is made by heating a mixture of clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. The mixture is heated in a furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass. When it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. In this paragraph, we learn that glass which is clear, transparent means which allows objects to be seen clearly through it. For example, clear water, we can see through it, and a smooth looking material. A number of things are made of glass. Can you believe it is a man-made material? It is actually made from sand by heating a mixture of clear white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. The mixture is heated in a furnace. Furnace means a huge enclosed space for heating metal or glass to high temperature. Once it gets enough heat, it melts and turns into hot liquid glass. And when it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. Stiff means firm, which is difficult to bend. Let's read the next paragraph. How glass is shaped. Once glass has become cold, stiff, and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle, that means it breaks easily. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. Very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, or even blow it to make a variety of shapes. Hot liquid glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and sizes. It can also be rolled out to make flat sheets of glass. In another process, molten glass is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets of even thickness. Gobs of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses, and other objects. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into very thin fibers or glass wool. In this paragraph, we learn that once the molten glass cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. It is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle, means it breaks easily. Once the mixture used to make glass gets enough heat, it melts, and this hot liquid glass is poured into molds. Molds means containers used to give shape to molten or hot liquid material, and it is hardened to make different articles of various shapes and sizes. It can also be rolled out to make flat sheet of glass. It can be floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheet of even thickness. Gobs means a lump of this molten glass can also be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses and other objects, and it can also be drawn into very thin fibers. Next paragraph. Some properties of glass. Glass has many useful properties. It is transparent. You can see through it. It is strong and hard. You can put a lot of load on it. It is impermeable. It does not allow water or other liquids to pass through, and it doesn't get soggy or stained itself. Glass has no effect on the food, water, or other substances stored in glass containers. In other words, it doesn't impart a smell or taste to them. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. And last but not the least, important is the fact that it looks beautiful. No wonder then that it is used to make so many things. In this paragraph, we learn the different properties of glass. That is, glass is transparent. It is strong and hard. It is impermeable, means it does not allow liquid or gas to pass through it. For example, our cold drink Sprite contains liquid as well as gas in it. Once the glass bottle is filled with the liquid and gas, and the bottle is fixed with the lid, then the liquid and gas does not pass through the glass bottle. This shows glass is impermeable. It does not get soggy. Soggy means completely wet and soft. When you pour a lot of water on paper, once the water gets absorbed, the paper becomes soggy. Glass does not impart. Impart means pass the smell or taste of glass to the food and water or other substances stored in it. Glass looks beautiful. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. Next paragraph. Colored glass. Ordinary glass is colorless, but it is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combinations of chemicals in the glass making process. Glass can be given many beautiful colors: blue, violet, turquoise, ruby red, pink, amber, orange, deep yellow, purple, amethyst, dark green, even black and white. In this paragraph, we learn that ordinary glass is colorless, but different combinations means mixture of two or more things. Here it is chemicals in the glass making process which helps in making attractive colored glass. Glass we get in different colors such as blue, violet, turquoise. Turquoise means a bright blue green color. Ruby red, which is a dark red color. Pink. Amber. Amber is a yellow brown mix. Orange color, deep yellow. Purple. Amethyst. Amethyst is a bluish purple mix. Dark green, even black and white. Let's read the next paragraph. Stained glass. Colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures, especially in window panes. Such windows are known as stained glass windows. They are seen mostly in churches. Colored glass can also be used to make beautiful sculptures or decorative articles. It is also possible to paint on glass using special chemicals and processes. In this paragraph, we learn that colored glass is used to make beautiful sculptures. Sculptures means three-dimensional work of art and decorative articles. It is also possible to paint on glass using special chemicals and processes. Next paragraph. Glass can be recycled. Another unique feature of glass is that it is 100% recyclable. Old glass can be used to make new glass any number of times. Recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than making new glass from raw materials. It requires much less heat and a lot of energy is saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, you save enough energy to power a color TV for about 20 minutes. So the next time you throw away a glass bottle, think glass is valuable. Here in this paragraph, we learn a unique feature of glass. That is, it is 100% recyclable. Recyclable means processing the used material to make new things out of it. And therefore, it is much cheaper. It requires less heat. A lot of energy is saved. So, glass is a valuable material. We will be meeting soon in the next video. So keep learning something new every day. Thank you.